Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories channel. This is your safe place to slow down, practice listening, and learn real English for your daily life. I am Leo.
And hello, everyone. I am Anna. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
Anna, you look very thoughtful today. How are you feeling as we approach the new year?
Honestly, Leo, I am feeling a little mixed. I am excited for 2026, but I'm also a little tired. There is so much pressure to be perfect next year.
Ah, the new year pressure. I know it well. But don't worry, Anna. Today, we are going to talk about a different way to start the year. A gentle way.
That sounds perfect. I need gentle right now.
Before we start, if you want to learn English with us every week in a relaxed way, please click the subscribe button. It is a small click for you, but it helps our community grow.
And give us a like if you are ready for a calm conversation. Let's begin.
So, Anna, you said you feel pressure. Why?
Well, everyone asks, what are your big goals? What is your 10-year plan? And I'm just thinking about what to eat for lunch.
Lunch is important too. You know, we don't need a huge revolution to make 2026 a great year.
We don't?
No. Sometimes small changes are better than big ones. Today, our topic is how to make 2026 your best year, but without the stress.
I love that idea. No stress, just success?
Exactly. We will learn vocabulary to describe our feelings and simple habits to improve our lives. First, let's look back at the past year. Anna, was there a moment when life felt too heavy?
Oh, yes. Last month, I had deadlines at work, family problems, and I tried to learn Spanish all at the same time. I felt, what is the word? Like my brain was full?
You felt overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed?
Yes, overwhelmed means you have too much to do or too many emotions and you don't know how to handle it. It feels like a heavy weight.
That is exactly it. I was overwhelmed. I just wanted to hide under my blanket.
Listeners, did you feel overwhelmed this year? It's a very common feeling. When we feel overwhelmed, we often do things to escape. What did you do, Anna?
Well, I picked up my phone and I looked at social media for hours, even when I was tired.
Ah, I think we have a word for that. You were doom scrolling.
Doom scrolling? That sounds scary.
It is a modern word. Doom means something bad or terrible. Doom scrolling means scrolling on your phone, reading bad news or useless posts, even though it makes you feel sad or anxious.
Wow, that is exactly what I did. I doom scrolled until midnight.
It's a hard habit to break, but recognizing it is the first step. Now, let's look at 2026. Instead of a huge list of goals, let's try a simple rule. Stop, keep, start.
Stop, keep, start. How does it work?
It's simple. Stop, pick one thing that makes you unhappy. Keep, pick one thing that is already good. Start, pick one small new thing.
Okay, let me try. Stop. I want to stop doom scrolling before bed. It ruins my sleep.
Excellent choice.
Keep. I want to keep my morning coffee time. It makes me happy.
Good. And start?
Start. I want to start reading 5 pages of a book every day.
That's perfect because it's bite-sized.
Bite-sized? Like a small piece of food?
Yes, a bite-sized habit is very small. It's easy to do. You don't choke on it. 5 pages is bite-sized. Reading a whole book in one day is too big.
I see. So bite-sized habits help us not feel overwhelmed.
Exactly. Now, to help with your stop goal, no doom scrolling, you need a routine to wind down.
Wind down, does that mean to relax?
Yes, to wind down means to slowly relax after a busy day, preparing for sleep, like a machine slowing down.
Ah, so instead of my phone, I can wind down with tea and music.
Perfect. That helps your brain reset.
Reset, like restarting a computer?
Yes, a reset is a fresh start for your mind. It makes you feel grounded.
Grounded. That sounds stable.
It is. To feel grounded means to feel calm, stable, and connected to the present moment, not anxious, not flying away with worry.
I want to feel grounded in 2026.
We learned some powerful words today to help us build a better year. Let's recap quickly.
Overwhelmed, feeling like you have too much to handle. Doom scrolling, endlessly looking at bad things on your phone. Bite-sized, small and easy to do. Wind down, to relax before sleep. Grounded, feeling calm and stable.
Excellent summary, Anna. These words describe a healthy, balanced life. Now, friends, we want to hear from you. We have a question of the day.
Yes, based on our stop, keep, start rule, what is one thing you want to start doing in 2026?
Remember, make it bite-sized. Is it drinking water? Walking for 10 minutes? Learning one English word a day?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We love reading your ideas.
Thank you so much for listening today. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be kind to yourself.
That is the best advice. Thank you, Leo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories.
Have a grounded and happy new year.
See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.